Want to start your own CBD home business? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video, super excited to talk about the whole CBD home business opportunity. If you've been watching my videos at all, you would realize that I'm with a company called Genusity, which is kind of like a network marketing / affiliate marketing company that has crazy earning potential, very cool products to promote, blah blah blah. But just recently they added another product, and the product that they added is CBD products. Now the first product in the line is what they call a nano patch for CBD. First of all, if you're not familiar with CBD, you need to look it up and then come back to this video. But I'll give you a quick little rundown. CBD is a product. It's a hemp-derived product. No, it's not weed. It's not illegal. It's basically it comes from, like I said, the hemp plant, and it's used in a lot of different health-related situations where some people use it for pain relief, mental, overall general health. It's just blowing up right now. The benefits of it is just coming out every day, and more people are getting involved with CBD products. Keep in mind, CBD products, because when people hear the word hemp, they're like, oh shit, that's illegal, that's drugs. No, it's all good, trust me. And it is $1 billion industry. And the crazy thing is, people are just now really getting involved and really, creating home businesses strictly off of CBD products. So this is the time to get into it. If you're watching this video and you're even thinking about it, trust me, jump on this, because I'm on it. I'm already with Genusity and everything, so they just added this product. If you want more information on how you can start your own home business based around CBD products, alright, link in the description. All you gotta do is put your name and email, and you'll get sent all the information you need to get started with your own CBD home business. Now guys, this is one of them things where I hate to say it, but it's like, okay, CBD just really started getting popular the last year, between 1 to 3 years, right? In like the next 5 years, CBD is probably going to be just ridiculously huge. All right, you can already have your place in it. You can already, be in the game, so to speak. And I highly recommend it for a home business, especially if you're interested in like health related products, right? This is an opportunity to create your own home business, make your own residual income every month. This is one of those opportunities. So if you want to check it out, like I just said, link in the description. Once you just put your name, email in, you'll get sent some information, and also you have access to me. So if you need any help, starting your business, or any more questions about the products, you can get a hold of me. Even comment below, message me, let me know that you signed up with Genusity or whatever, and I can help you out. But very easy. Oh, and one more thing. You might be watching this like, oh, nah. CBD home business, no. I ain't got the money for it. I hear it all the time. Although you should be willing to invest in your damn business. But trust me when I tell you, when you see how inexpensive it is to start your own CBD home business, trust me, you can definitely afford to start it. Most people can, because it's not one of those Well, if you spend $400 to get none of that. Trust me, none of that. So if you want or interested in starting your own CBD home business, click the link below and I will talk to you shortly. Be sure to leave a comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.